Do you want to know?
Hi lovelies, and welcome back to my channel, and thank you so much for stopping by and checking out this video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I make my water rinse using ginger, black rice, and cloves to make my water rinse. This is for extreme hair growth. So getting started, the first thing I will do is to pound the ginger using mortar and pestle. You can use an alternative, okay? This is after cutting it into pieces. The benefit of this water is that it's going to detangle the hair, makes the hair smoother, increase shine, and also it's going to make the hair stronger and helps in longer hair growth. So this is amazing. I've used this a couple of times and I can testify that it works. So after pounding the ginger, get it into a bottle and add the rice depending on what you want and how big the bottle is. And after that, you add your cloves. I covered it up for 1 week, and after that, oh my god, I can hardly see the water inside it. Everything was soaked, and that was amazing. You can add the cloves before adding water. It matters nothing, okay? So after 1 week, this is what it now looks like. I am having, you see, little water there. But I am not going to add extra water to it. I'm going to use it just the way it is. The next thing to do is to strain it just as you normally would. Guys, I have noticed over time that the black rice does not smell as bad as the white rice. I don't know if you have noticed. This is just me, okay? This is what I've noticed. It does not smell as bad as the white rice. If this is white rice, oh my god, soaking it for 1 week. Oh. The smell would have been all over my house, but it doesn't smell bad. And then apply it on an applicator bottle for easier use, okay? Then what I'm going to do next is to use this amazing water on my hair for a massive hair growth. If you want to see immediate results, you are going to consider using these ingredients 2 times a week to rinse your hair. You will be surprised at the result. Thank you so much for watching, and consider to subscribe if you like the video and share.